Ever dreamed of stepping into a Himalayan secret untouched by the masses? Janjehli Valley, Mandi's wild heart, is calling. At 2150 meters, this isn't just a valley, it's a raw, cinematic escape where every frame feels like a discovery. For adrenaline junkies, the Shikari Devi trek isn't just a hike, it's a 16-kilometer pilgrimage through ancient deodar forests to a 10th century stone temple where locals whisper tales of goddesses and hunters. For slow travelers, Bulah Meadows, 13 km from Thunag, is where the Himalayas breathe. Shepherd huts and alpine grass so thick you'll want to nap under the sun. From the skies, glaciers carving valleys older than time, pine canopies so dense they look like emerald oceans. Janjehli doesn't just show you beauty, it makes you feel it.